Hello traders, and welcome to the market opening preview, January 14th, 2015. Traders, great to be with you. Coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand, bright and early in the morning, cold and breezy, bright sunny skies. Traders, remember this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Alright traders, let's get started. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator for the market opening preview series every single trading day before the London Open. On Friday, we have the Friday wrap-up, which is about 6 hours after the the New York close. And we do that every Friday, where we review between 15 and 20 daily charts, where we look at what happened in the past and what might happen in the future. Alright, I started trading in the year of 2006, 2008. I retired from a great career in the fire rescue department. 9 days later, I got on the Big Bird, came to Thailand for a 3-month holiday, and well, traders, it's 2015 and I'm still here. I trade the Forex markets every single trading day, win, lose, or draw, and I absolutely love it. The nice thing about trading in Thailand is the time zone. I can trade all 3 trading sessions up to about New York lunch and still get a good night's rest. Alright, traders, this is the risk disclaimer. Forex trading has large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Most of all, traders, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Alright. Let us get over here and let me get our data up for today. We do not have any news until the New York session, and I'm pretty sure, if I remember what I read, it is pending orders. Let us check. Sorry, New York, we have core retail sales month on month. And we also have retail sales month on month. So those are the only 2 high impact data releases all trading day on this. Wow, it is Wednesday already. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing going on in the London session, and we did not miss anything in the early part of Asia. So not much going on there. Traders, let's take a look at the markets and see where we closed. The Dow closed negative 0.54%. The S&P 500 closed negative 0.26%. And the NASDAQ closed barely just at 0.07%. The Russell 2000 closed up barely at positive 0.05%. Let's head on over to the Eurozone, and the DAX closed up 1.63%. The FTSE 100 was positive 0.63%. And the CAC 40 was up 1.47%, with the Eurostoxx 50 up 1.55%. The Eurozone was all in the green. Let's head over to my side of the world. The Nikkei 225 is negative 0.82%. The S&P ASX 200 out of Sydney is negative 2.7%. The Shanghai is positive 0.10%, with the Hang Seng also barely positive at 0.09%. And the Kospi, unfortunately, is barely in the red at negative 0.13%. So, traders, that gives you an idea of what's going on with the numbers. And commentary for today is we had some pretty good price action yesterday. I would have to say most of these currency pairs are bearish. The dollar is very strong, so anything related to the dollar or the yen has been very, very bearish. I actually took a pretty big hit yesterday. I don't do this, traders. I was in a different trade. I was in profit. I took that profit, and for some reason or somehow, I must have hit the euro-yen buy. Woke up this morning, happened to put on my live account, and saw like I was like 70 pips in the negative. So I took quite a hit today. But luckily, with good money management, it wasn't a big deal. Because I only trade 1% of my account on any single trade. So, you know, it's a learning experience. pay attention when you're trading off your phone. And I had no intentions of getting in that trade. I must have hit the button and didn't realize it. And away she went, and down she went, and I hit the buy button. So, yeah, pay attention when you're trading off your phone. It's, I was quite shocked when I saw the loss I took this morning. All right, let's get over to the Forex, 60-minute Forex charts. And as usual, we will start with the euro dollar. A lot of these charts are the same, folks. There's nothing interesting. This is going to be a short video. There's not a lot of change. There's nothing to talk about. These are all bearish. Here's the euro. We're just looking for a pullback to the 23.6. You know, look for a bearish candlestick formation. I'd rather get to the 38.2, and then we could take this short and just take it down to the 1749 area and take profit. I wouldn't take this short here. I mean, this needs to pull back. You're too close to support here, so this has got to pull back. I would really say to that 38.2 area before I would take this. So looks like we might have to wait for London Open on that one. I have no idea what's going on with the British pound. The British pound has been sideways for a very, very long time. And so we're just hanging out here. And we're in the same spot we were yesterday, and we're just waiting for this to give us a bearish candlestick formation, and you know what? We'll take it short. Nothing new on the pound. Take a look at the Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar is acting kind of weird. It's above the 200 exponential moving average. I'm not getting tricked on this bad boy. I think this is coming back down. I would even take this before London Open. If I get a candlestick below that trend line, and it's a bearish candlestick, I'll wait for that hour to pass. I'll get a second candle. If it's red, I will enter it. Where's my stop going to go? It's probably just going to go above that trend line. I'm not going to bring it all the way back up to that 0.8198 area. I will keep the stop pretty tight if I take this before London Open. I'm noticing, traders, that a lot of these trades are happening earlier in the day. They're happening 2 and 3 hours before London Open. These trades are starting to formulate, and we're missing some great opportunities. So, well, for those of you in the United States, that's really a bummer, because that means you got to get up at like midnight to take a look at your charts. For those of us in Asia, it just means it's morning time for us to have another cup of coffee. But I'm noticing a lot of these trades are happening before the London Open, so just keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at our Euro Aussie again, another pair that's worked out yesterday. Really nice trade yesterday, worked out perfectly. You can see here we want this to pull back up to the 38.2, bring it down to 43.78, and at that point we will take profit. You can see the stop is where the stop needs to be. We need to give this some room to work. And that's basically what we're looking at here on the Euro Aussie. But it's been really, in the last 2 days, some nice price action. And let's take advantage of that. Looking at the Euro Yen is in a really nice down mode. Unfortunately, I bought it by mistake, not realizing it. And yeah, I lost about, oh gosh, man, I think it was like 65 pips. So wasn't too happy about that move. However, we wanted to see this pull back to this 38.2 Fibonacci level, which is going to bring us at about 139.14, and then we'll take this back down to the downside. You do not want to short this here. We are at support right now. This might bounce all the way back up to the 618 and come back down. That would be great. That'd be a nice trade. Maybe I can make up some of that pips I lost, because I took a beating yesterday. Trust me. All right, let's take a look at New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar is below the 200 exponential moving average, and it looks like it's back into its bearish mode. So this is just a trend line, really simple trade. Let this break below this trend line. Let's get a bearish candlestick formation. Let's take this bad boy down. Remember, I talked about wide open spaces. If you look after that support and you look to the left of the chart, there is nothing there, traders. There is nothing there. There's no other candlesticks there. There's no support or resistance there. This is a beautiful trade if we can get this to work. And we can take this all the way down to that 76.63 area. And it just really a really nice trade there. So we have a wide open space here, and I would take this before the London Open if the opportunity arose. Traders, on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I'd like to thank you for joining me on this Wednesday morning in my time of the land. And we hope to see you tomorrow. And remember that on Friday we do have the Friday wrap-up. We do that about 6 hours after the New York close. Traders, have a great trading day. Grab those pips, and always remember to trade smart and not hard. Traders, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Have a great trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.